Hey guys, on today's video we're going to do a really quick unboxing of this camera. Now, I'm just going to show you around the box because I know you guys like to see if there's any other information around here. Around the box. Now, these are one of those cameras that don't really have a brand and you get them online from eBay or even Amazon. Anyways, that's it for the box. Let's open this up. Now, later on I will be doing a review plus a setup video. So those are two other videos. Today we're just going to be looking at what's inside the box. Now I did purchase the camera to come with this. So if you don't purchase the camera to come with this, it's not gonna come with the SD card. I thought the price was okay, and I can see it's Kingston, or well, hopefully it's Kingston. It could be a fake Kingston, so as long as it works and it's close enough to class 10, I would be happy with this. Anyways, that's the SD card. Then we got this guy right here. Let's just take him out. Okay, actually this looks pretty good. That's metal. Well, it's the cheap metal, the one that cracks easy. And we got this, moves around pretty easy. Yep. That's really good. This type of thing, you want this for sure for your camera, so you guys can move it around easier. Tripods like this, that work like this, are the best ones. So secure pretty easy. They stay right there and you're good to go. Anyways, that's just part of the camera. Let's see what else is here. We got this. We also got some manuals right here for to get started. So again, that's in the setup video I'm gonna show you guys. And then a review I always do a couple weeks after, so I can let you guys know if it's actually worth it and not just a first glance at it, but an actual review. Maybe this breaks down like after one rainstorm, for example. Who knows? So we're gonna test that out in all weather plus Canadian winter, which is pretty harsh. So we're gonna see if this freezes or it just dies out there. We're gonna test it out during summer as well, obviously. And yeah, so let's take a look at the camera. The camera's right in here. This is what you guys are all looking for. Now it is smaller than what I thought it would be. I did think this camera would be a little bit bigger than what it is. To give you an idea of the actual size of this camera, it's the size, let's say, half of an iPhone length. An iPhone would be up to here-ish. And then the thickness, well, the width, that would be, an iPhone would be up to here. I know I'm comparing this to an iPhone just because I handle iPhones so much every day. So that's what I know. Anyways, you guys can see this. That looks pretty good. It doesn't feel that cheap, so that's good. You guys don't want anything that feels too light, because that just has a cheap quality to it, and this feels okay. Now, the cables that you guys get with this. Alright. So from what I read online, the setup is a little bit different with this. You're gonna have to set it up with your Ethernet cable, and then you guys can set it up with Wi-Fi. So I'm hoping that works fine. I will be doing a video on that, so don't worry about it. But this is it. This is what you guys will see right here. This is just put on top of this, okay, to close that up. But that's it. Those are the connections to the camera, so you guys can see the back as well. I can see that's where you guys would put the tripod in. Now there is this part as well, so I guess you guys can put a tripod in many places. And then there's this lid that pops open like so, and that's to insert the SD card in there, I guess, because it looks like there's space in there. Just get up closer. There we go. You guys can kind of get a good look at there. Anyways, let's just close that up. There we go. So that's the camera. Now let's take a look at the rest of the stuff that we have. So we've got our antennas. Very important for obvious reasons. We've got some screws that come with this. Again, you guys will probably, I don't know if you guys are gonna actually be using these. Usually they will send you really cheap stuff, so maybe you'll end up not using this. And we've got some other accessories that we might use, might not, who knows. And here's the charger for it. So the cable isn't that long, which is not a good thing. This should be a lot longer, so I'm gonna loosen it up. It should be a lot longer for a camera, especially an outdoor camera. This looks like a meter. This looks like maximum 1 meter in length, a little bit less even. So that's not long enough, guys. To compare it up, your iPhone charger cables, that's about the length of this thing. Well, this thing's a little bit longer than that, but just a little bit longer. Not a huge difference. So let me just get a close-up of this adapter, just in case you guys are watching this video just to get the adapter. This is the adapter that comes with it. So there's nothing really special with the adapter itself. And yes, you guys can get this different. It depends where you guys are from. You guys can order it in, depending if you guys are in Europe, for example. This will be a little bit different. If you guys are in the US, this will work. Canada, same deal. This will work just fine. Anyways, let's just go back to a camera. Right here, like I told you guys, it feels okay. The weight of it, everything feels okay from it. I can feel that it's not too cheap. So that's a really good thing. Anyways, guys, that would be it for this video right here. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write them down here in the comments area. And don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.